Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp campaigns in Notifyy. To create a campaign, go to Campaign Management and click on Create Campaign. Campaign setup is divided into 4 steps. Campaign, select audience, schedule and review and save. Start by entering a unique campaign name. Select WhatsApp category and choose sender identity. You can also see the messaging limit. Select a pre-approved template and verify the message preview. Optionally add a description for internal reference. Click Continue to proceed. Select your target audience by choosing segments, individual contacts, or both. At least one option is required to proceed. Exclude specific segments or contacts if needed. If any excluded segments or contacts are part of the selected audience, they will be removed from the campaign. Click Continue to move to the next step. Choose whether to send immediately or schedule for later. Enable retry and select 1 to 3 attempts. Failed contacts will be retried accordingly, for example, a setting of 1 retries once after 24 hours. Proceed to review. Review all campaigns details carefully. Enable the campaign to launch it based on schedule. Campaign created successfully. View campaigns in the campaign list. Ready equals queued. Scheduled equals sends at set time. Completed equals successful. Retrying equals retries failed contacts after 24 hours. View insights, metrics, recipient status, execution details. Easily create, schedule, and track your campaigns.